Hello everyone. Let's start our topic, units on Abacus. When we were doing finger maths, we have developed a clear understanding of what units are. Now we will start placement of values for units on Abacus. Let's start practicing placing of values on Abacus. On Abacus, we have 4 lower beats. Each beat has a value 1 and one upper beat which has the value 5. Let's see how we will place 1 on Abacus. To place 1, we will move one lower beat on units rod to touch the calculation bar. For 2, we will move 2 lower beats up to touch the calculation bar. For 3, we will move 3 lower beats up to touch the calculation bar. For 4, we will move 4 lower beats up. How we will place 5 on Abacus? Upper beat on units rod has the value 5. So we will move upper beat on units rod down to touch the calculation bar, and all the 4 lower beats would be away from the calculation bar. To place 6, we will move one upper beat down and one lower beat up on calculation bar. To place 7, we will move upper beat down and 2 lower beats up to touch the calculation bar. For 8, we will move upper beat down and 3 lower beats up to touch the calculation bar. And for 9, we will move upper beat down and 4 lower beats up to touch the calculation bar. Let's learn how to add on Abacus. Let's take an example. If we want to add 1 and 3 together, how we will do that? Let's see. First, we will place 1 on Abacus. Each lower beat on units rod has a value 1. So we will move one lower beat on units rod up to touch the calculation bar. Now to add 3 means 3 lower beats. So we will move 3 more lower beats up to touch the calculation bar. As a result, we get 4 lower beats touching the calculation bar. So our answer would be 4. Let's learn how to subtract units on Abacus. We will take an example. If we want to subtract 6 from 8, first we will place 8. To place 8 on Abacus, we move upper beat down and 3 lower beats up. Now to subtract 6, subtraction means we will move beats away from the calculation bar. To subtract 6, we know upper beat and one lower beat on units rod has the value 6. So we will move upper beat up and one lower beat down. As a result, we get 2 lower beats touching the calculation bar. So our answer is 2. Let's start practicing addition and subtraction together on Abacus for units. Let's take an example. First question is 2. First, we will move 2 lower beats up to touch the calculation bar. Plus 5. We will move upper beat on units rod down to touch the calculation bar. Minus 6. We will move upper beat up and one lower beat down. To subtract 6. To add 7, we will move upper beat down and 2 lower beats up. Minus 8. We will move upper beat up and 3 lower beats down. As a result, we get 0 as no beat is touching the calculation bar. Let's take another example. But before starting a question, always make your Abacus 0. That is, no beat touching the calculation bar. Let's see. 7. To place 7, we will move upper beat down and 2 lower beats up. Plus 2 means 2 more lower beats up. Minus 3, we will move 3 lower beats down. Plus 1, we will move 1 lower beat up. And plus 2, we will move 2 lower beats up to touch the calculation bar. As a result, we get 9. That is, all the beats on Abacus are touching the calculation bar on units rod. Let's take another example. 4 minus 2 plus 5 minus 6 plus 2. Answer is 3. That is 3 lower B's touching the calculation bar. Make your abacus 0. 6 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 2. Answer is 7. Let's take another example. 8 minus 6 plus 2 plus 5 minus 7. Answer is 2. We will practice few more questions for addition and subtraction of units. But now I would be saying questions little faster. Make your abacus 0 and let's start. First question is 1 plus 6 minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Answer 9. Make your abacus 0. 5 plus 2 plus 1 minus 7 plus 1. Answer 2. Next question. 8 minus 3 plus 4 minus 8 plus 6. Answer is 7. We will practice 2 more questions. Make your abacus 0. Let's start. 4 minus 2 plus 5 minus 7 plus 2. Answer 2. Let's practice last question. 6 plus 1 minus 2 plus 4 minus 3. Answer is 6. In this video, we have learned how to place values for units on abacus, how to add and subtract units on abacus. Hopefully, the topic of units on abacus is clear to everyone. Keep practicing and thank you for watching the video.